Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the 70Mi Hiker 400, a portable power station that promises to be the ultimate road trip companion.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
Now, when it comes to portable power stations, the 70Mi Hiker 400 stands out from the crowd.
It's compact, lightweight, and packs a punch with its array of features. But does it deliver when you're out on the open road? Let's find out. First up, let's talk design.
The Hiker 400 sports a sleek plastic case that's tough enough to handle life on the go. It's small enough to fit in your backpack, yet sturdy with a convenient handle for easy carrying. The curved top may limit flat surface usage, but it's a minor trade-off for its overall portability.
Now, onto the juicy stuff, features.
The Hiker 400 boasts a 378 watt-hours lithium NCM battery, providing enough juice to charge your laptop over 5 times. Its 400W inverter is efficient, with a respectable 74% efficiency rating. But what sets it apart is the built-in Bluetooth low-energy interface, allowing seamless control via a mobile app. You can even remotely activate the flashlight for added convenience. When put to the test, the Hiker 400 doesn't disappoint. With 3 charging modes and multiple output options, it's versatile enough to meet your power needs. Efficiency-wise, it holds its own, with a commendable 85% efficiency in DC mode and 75% in AC mode.
Plus, the noise level is minimal, thanks to its single-fan design. Of course, no review would be complete without comparing it to the competition.
While there are similar options out there, the Hiker 400 shines with its blend of portability and power. Competitors may offer similar features, but few can match its overall performance and reliability.
So, should you invest in the 70Mi Hiker 400?
If you're looking for a portable power station that's reliable, efficient, and packed with features, then absolutely.
Sure. It may have its quirks, like the external power adapter and battery chemistry, but they're minor drawbacks compared to its overall performance. And there you have it, our in-depth review of the 70Mi Hiker 400. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased reviews.
Until next time, happy charging!